Hafaday, my name is Andrielle Coloma, and I'm currently a liberal arts major here at the Northern Marianas College.
Hafaday, my name is Mar Sagana, and I just graduated with my associates in business administration, and I was a former work study for the IT department.
Hi, my name is Cloie Hyun Ah Seo. My major is liberal arts, and I am a former work study in the science, math, health, and academics department.
Hi, my name is Choi, and I just graduated with my bachelor's in education with a concentration in rehabilitation and human services, and I am the former vice president of the Environmental and Natural Resources Organization Club at NMC.
Today, my name is Sablan. I have an associate in natural resource management, and I'm currently in the bachelor's program for business management.
Hello, my name is Daniella. I'm currently majoring in Associate of Arts and Business. I am the current president for NMC Humanities Club, the enrolled representative for Environmental and Natural Resources Organization, and the upcoming Public Relations Secretary for Phi Theta Kappa Honor Society.
Half a day, my name is Santos, and I am currently majoring in my Bachelor's of Science in Business Management.
Half a day, my name is Rosimo, and I'm majoring in Business Management, and I'm a Media Office Assistant for the Grease Department.
Half a day, Zantiro. My name is Robyn Lee. I am an NMC student majoring in Natural Resource Management, and I was so grateful to be a part of this NextGen's experience.
Tiroma half a day. My name is Jude Litulumar, and I'm currently majoring in Natural Resource Management, and I'm also Secretary for Manners, and I'm so grateful that I'm a part of this NextGen experience.
Welcome to the Hokkaido Agricultural Research Center, a hub of innovation and knowledge in Japan's agriculture industry.
Over the course of 2 days, we were immersed in a world of cutting-edge research and development. Presentations were held, shedding light on various aspects of agriculture, from sustainable farming practices to the latest advancements in agricultural technology.
During our visit, we had the incredible opportunity to interact with some of Japan's leading experts in agriculture. From food scientists to researchers, we delved into the intricate processes behind Japan's agricultural advancements. We had the privilege of touring the facility, witnessing firsthand the state-of-the-art infrastructure and innovative techniques employed in agricultural research. From high-tech laboratories to vast experimental fields, every corner of the center exuded a passion for excellence and sustainability.
It was eye-opening to see how technology is being utilized to enhance agricultural productivity while minimizing environmental impact.
The dedication and expertise of the researchers here truly inspired us all to consider careers in agricultural science.
Our time at the Hokkaido Agricultural Research Center has left a lasting impression on each of us. As we return home, we carry with us not only knowledge, but also a newfound appreciation for the importance of sustainable agriculture in shaping our future.
In our trip to Japan, we also visited the Sugar Beet Museum, also known as the Nihon Beet Sugar Manufactory.
Hokkaido hosts 3 significant sugar factories located in Memuro, Bihoro, and Shibetsu, which collectively produce 273,000 tons of sugar annually.
The journey from farm to table begins with local farmers receiving paper pots pre-seeded with sugar beets stored in greenhouses starting March. In late April, these seeds are transplanted into fields using automatic transplanting machines. By May, cultivators engage in their intertillage to revitalize the soil and sugar beets. Throughout the summer, the beets grow storing sugar in the roots, which are essential for the refining process that starts in July. Harvesting occurs in October, with beet harvesters digging up the beets and Tokachi railways transporting them into factories. At the factories, the stationary pilers remove soil from the beets, which are then stored in warehouses during the winter. Beets are protected by the leaves and their sugar content is measured centrally.
Daily, approximately 8,500 sugar beets undergo processing. Initially, the beets are cleaned and sliced into cassettes. Sugar extraction involves hot water, purifying the juice, and concentrating it from thin juice to thick juice. Sugar crystals are formed, centrifuged, and dried. These crystals are then packaged and stacked by robots, with some stored in a sugar silo for year-round nationwide distribution. Byproducts of the extraction process, such as cassettes, are repurposed into cattle feed. Hokkaido's sugar beet industry began in December 1920 but saw a significant closure in 1977. However, the laboratory and sales office continued to operate from the original building, highlighting the crop's enduring importance. Sugar beets, a vital crop for Hokkaido, are not suitable for direct consumption due to their bitterness, which can be mitigated through specific cooking methods. Primarily used for sugar production, the beets yield 12 types of sugar, including granulated white sugar. Factories can produce 3 types of sugar daily by mixing colors and other components, aiming to minimize waste by diversifying star brands. Additionally, beet molasses is a potential product derived from the beets. Japan's reliance on agriculture for resources underscores the significance of sugar beet cultivation and processing in Hokkaido.
After we toured the Sugar Beet Museum, next door was the Mugiodo Masuya Bakery. Measuring up to 12,000 square meters, Mugiodo is known to be Japan's widest bakery. All their products are 100% made from Tokachi-produced wheat and other Tokachi-grown products. At least 80% of ingredients are locally produced, allowing a synergistic effect from using local resources. After a quick tour from the owner, we got the opportunity to make mini pizzas. We mixed our own dough from scratch, shaped it, and decorated it as we pleased.
Dr. Noda and his colleague led our group on a tour of agricultural farms in the Memuro area on May 22nd, which was made possible via a shuttle bus. In order to preserve the delicate agricultural environment, we followed protocol during our visit to the farm and wore plastic shoe covers. From the dirt patches and the greenhouses where the sugar beets are grown, to the warehouses where machinery and equipment are kept, our observations shed light on a number of agricultural activities. There were also newly planted soybeans and wheat fields that were thriving, along with weather monitoring equipment. Some highlights included planting potatoes precisely using a robot tracker, rapeseed fields decorated with golden flowers, and a potato-specific study location where the spring sprouts provided special challenges to research.
We toured the Kaobi Potato Factory in Obihiro, Hokkaido. It was our first walking tour outside the research center, which was exciting. We learned that the potatoes here go through rigorous quality checks, and for every 4-ton batch, 15 kilograms are inspected. Higher quality potatoes become potato chips and snacks, while the lower grade ones are used for potato starch. The potatoes are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, ranging from 25 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, with regulated CO2 levels to maintain quality. These storage rooms are about 20 feet high and can get packed during peak production, with just enough space for visual checks. And to cap off the tour, each student received a bag of Kaobi potato chips, which was an awesome way to end our visit.
Our final day in Hokkaido was marked by a short visit to the Meiji dairy industry. Led by our guide, Kobayashi, we were treated to a glimpse into the world of Meiji, including a factory inspection and insightful videos on the industry. Milk is highly produced in Hokkaido, making the Tokachi Meiji factory Japan's largest cheese-making factory, creating up to 60% of cheese. Kobayashi shared that one cheese is processed into various types of cheese, such as mozzarella, camembert, parmesan, and more. Unfortunately, photography was not allowed for the rest of the tour. However, throughout it, they showed us short clips of the making process and the machinery used to produce their cheese. We saw machines that were used to sterilize and homogenize the cheese automatically. They used lactic acid bacteria to curdle the enzymes to solidify the cheese while being poured into several curdle-making tanks to mix thoroughly. These containers typically hold up to 1.8 tons inside. Following, cheddaring machines are used to combine the curds thoroughly alongside a conveyor belt that discards and splits the cheese. The cheese is then sliced and salt is added to flavor. The machine creates bigger curds that get bricked together to create a larger block, which is then aged for 3 to 6 months. When the cheese is curdled, the yellow liquid is typically saved to be dried and turned into whey powder. The powder is also used for yogurt and butter products. Nothing is thrown away, allowing the industry to use all the components without waste. To end our tour, the factory shared their camembert mozzarella cheese for us to taste test, a box of green tea to cleanse our palates, and a small tube of chocolate to take home as a little snack.
Hello everyone and welcome to Mirai-kan. Mirai-kan, also known as the National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation, is located in the Odaiba district of Tokyo, Japan. It's a place with many interactive exhibits and scientific displays. Opening hours are from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., while closed days are on Tuesdays except when it is a national holiday and New Year holidays. Admission fees are rather very affordable with different options. Permanent exhibitions fees for adults are 630 yen, groups of 8 or more people are 500 yen, children up to the age of 18 are 210 yen, groups of 8 or more are 160 yen. When we first entered the exhibition, the theme was Sushi Tech Tokyo 2024. This showcase program is an extensive event with a goal of promoting sustainability through advanced technology only for a limited time from April 27 to May 26, 2024. This event is hosted by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government, which seeks to present Tokyo as a model for future sustainable cities, merging innovation with ecological consciousness. I personally really took a liking to the theme mixed with Astro Boy, a classic anime. I believe it also grabs the attention of the audience with splashes of colors and familiarity. Throughout the museum, you'll find various interactive zones designed to engage and educate visitors of all ages. For example, walking over the oval bridge around the Geocosmos, you can see challengers, which are photos of people that explored space, including Laika the dog. Using the GeoPrism, people can see the Ocean General Circulation Simulation and Global Tweet Timeline. This shows words used on Twitter worldwide. It allows you to observe positioning worldwide for any country and changes in use of words. Listed words available were good morning, thank you, and happy birthday. This was a sales in progress area. You get to sit down and watch a video about iPS cells. With advances in stem cell research, such as iPS cells, the world is nearing the ability to make personal cellular level decisions. In the exhibit's 5 theaters, you will encounter scenarios of disease or injury and explore iPS cell therapy as a treatment option. You also learn about cell mechanisms and have a realization of how you are made and kept alive by cells. After exiting the theater, you can compare the characteristics of different stem cells and use a hand model such as different parts of the body via TV screen and learning more about that specific part. The food at the cafeteria was delicious, and they also have a large observatory deck outside where you can look out. Before you leave the museum, there are various interesting items being sold at the gift shop, a great stop for souvenirs. Mirai-kan is more than just a museum. It is a gateway to understanding the scientific and technological innovations that are shaping our world.
Light and lonely.